Hello, my friends. We are back in Spelunky. Oh. What the fuck? That was awful. Whoops. Alright, well, bitch. Don't you touch my gold, bitch. Alright, let's, Hey, what is this over here? 900, wow. Thank you so much, game. You know, I really appreciate it. You can't get much better than that. Bitch! Bitch, no, stop it, bitch! Oh, my stupid sisters. Oh, is she dead? Well, fuck, alright. You dumb fucking bitch. Alright, oh my god! Jump, you fat bastard! Oh, my baby lord! Oh, god damn it. The amount of skill I have for this game is just almost ridic. Yes, ridic. I can work. Don't you worry. Hey. Give me that gold, girl. What the fuck? Ah, shit in my mouth. Oh, the fucking bitch. Alright, and get off, you fucking head. You fucking head, yes. Of course. Look at this motherfucker. Hey. Hey. I'm Italian. Hey. Hey. Damn it! Alright, so my sister just asked me what movie we saw on Monday. Don't fucking know. Completely forgot. What movie did we see on Monday? It was goddamn one of the new ones. Also, have you guys seen Edge of Tomorrow? Tom Cruise, fucking best movie I have ever seen since Avatar. The one with the blue guys, because that was just fucking the most amazing movie. And that fucking goddamn motherfucking Edge of Tomorrow. Every second was pleasing. It was literally the best movie I've ever seen. Anyway, what movie did I see on Monday? Shit. You know, let's not talk about this. I'm trying to make a goddamn video, not trying to fucking talk about my goddamn lives. That made no sense. Come on, bitch. Damn it, you fucker. I do want to summon this thing, though. However, it is that I do that. And you know what? I'm gonna text my sister real quick. Sorry, I should probably pause the video. Alright, we're back. Don't worry. Alright, enough of that. Enough that. That was so bad. That was like the worst thing. Nope. Help! I'm a dumb bitch. Help! Damn it! Oh, look at this dumb bitch right here. God, who do you think you are, you dumb bitch? I keep on beating the shit out of the goddamn, oh shit, out of the goddamn princesses. Alright, we have 1 health left. Odds are we will die on this floor. It's just gonna be, oh yeah, key. Pick up the god, Jesus Christ, that was ridiculous. Pick up the god, that's the words that I just said. Well, I thought I was dead. Don't know why I went over here. Oh, that's right, if you didn't watch my last Don't Stop video, I said that, I might want to do some, some, Fallout New Vegas modded, maybes, and if you want to see that, just comment down below, and we'll see that. It'll be good fun times, and I almost just died, and it was great, and fun times, and stuff, and poop, and stuff, and yay. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Hey, fuck me, I'm an idiot. Oh, screw it. Whatever, bish. I'm not proud of that. Not at all proud. Let's try not to suck now. Okay, let's just go. Let's just fucking, what? Fuck out of here. How am I? Jesus, where? What? I'm confused on why that just happened. Hey, that was the shit, man. Yes, Mang. I'm apparently Puerto Rican. No, I'm apparently Mexican now, because that's what Mexicans say. They say Mang, right? Or am I just being extremely, extremely racist? Probably being extremely racist. Which, you know, I don't have a problem with that. I don't really care if I'm being racist. If you guys have a problem with that, okay. I'm not being racist. I hear snakes. I hate snakes. Snakes can suck my dong. Dong snakes. The game. Parachute. Alright. So I'm thinking, throw a bomb, run, no. Fuck me! Fuck! Alright, it's fine. It's fine. That was great. That actually worked. Well then. Lego. Lego. What? Oh, him. Fuck. Alright. Well, I don't care about you, bitch. Goddamn climbing gloves. What? Bitches. How do I not die right now? Because... Alright. Hey, fuck you, bitch. This is awesome. I'm doing great. You just know I'm gonna die, like, now. I'm gonna be a big old dongus, and then I'm gonna fucking screw you, bitch. I don't care about you, bitch. I'm gonna be a big old dingus, and then I'm gonna die. Really thought I was gonna die right there. Really did. But, you know, until then, we're having good fun times. We have shotgun. We have a whole bunch of stuff. Shut up, you bitch. They're snakes. God damn it. Yeah. God fucking damn it. That was going great. Well, fuck. Dumb bitch, go. Damn it. I was actually really goddamn proud of that whole shopkeeper shit that I just pulled. Whoops, alright. Fuck you, bitch, I'm going. I probably could have gotten her. Probably should have gotten her, but you know what? What's done is done. Shut your goddamn mouth. Oh, wait, I need this. God fucking damn it. God damn, I thought I could pick up the goal for some reason, don't know why. Hey! Oh! Oh, well, he has a shotgun for sale, so. Oh, yeah, right. Alright, so, let's see here. Hey, I'm amazing at this game, bitches. So, let's see, we got. Oh, that's fucking dumb. This is cool, though. I do like it. Alright, let's go. Now we have 2 health, so now odds are just less likely that we die. Still gonna die, but just not as fast. It's gonna be amazing, right? Wrong. It's gonna suck dong. You know what? Let's see here. Oh, it's fine. Hey! Hey! Alright, sorry. Anyway. You know, not even gonna try it, because I will die if I try that. And it's gonna suck a big old dong, and you know, don't want to do that. Don't want to suck dong. Sucking dong is not fun. God fucking damn it. Bitch, get your ass down here, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Fuck you, bitch. I don't even care about you. Alright, you know what? No. Go over here, going over here, doing this. Don't know why I just did that. That was dumb. God damn it! Why was he even there? Why was that motherfucker there? I don't get it. I'm confused on why that motherfucker was there. God fucking damn it, you bitch. Alright, let's go. Hey. Hey, twice. Alright, let's, Hello, Mr. Bat! What you doing, you stupid bastard? We're going down to the next floor of floors, and it's gonna be amazing, good, fun times. Alright, let's try to get past level goddamn 2, because, you know, I suck at this game. Don't know why, just do. Alright, here's a product. Yeah, alright. Fuck me in my mouth. Alright, it's fine. How do I use this? What? I don't know how I use that then. Game, I hate you. I literally do hate this game right now. But we're at 12 minutes, so after I die, we're gonna end the video. Cause you know, can't be just making videos for a year and then not proud of that. Not proud of that. Anyway, let's good. Alright, we're in the video. Fuck this game. Well, guys, hope you enjoyed. You probably did not. Don't blame you, but so long. Have a nice day. Don't forget, follow Nuvius Modded if you want to see that. Comment down below on either this video or my previous Don't Starve video. But I hope you enjoyed. So long, and have a beautiful, wonderful day. Ugh. So long, guys.